Have you ever been scrolling through your feed at 2 in the morning, seen someone paint a flawless salon-quality French tip on their nails using a silicone beauty sponge in 3 seconds flat, and thought, wait, is that actual genius, or is my couch about to be covered in wet nail polish? Welcome to the ultimate viral nail hacks challenge. We see these crazy beauty tricks all over our feeds every single day. From stamping your nails directly into silicone sponges, to using dental floss for line art, to building instant gel extensions using plastic wrap and kitchen plastic. But do these viral hacks actually give you a gorgeous 10 out of 10 salon manicure at home? Or are they total epic fails that belong straight in the trash? Grab your nail polish, because today we are testing them all so you don't have to waste your time or your nails. Let's start with the absolute queen of viral nail trends, the silicone beauty sponge French tip hack. If you've ever tried to paint a classic French tip freehand with a tiny nail brush, you know the struggle. Your hand shakes, the line gets super thick, one side is crooked, and suddenly your cute French tip looks like you dipped your fingers in white whiteout. The hack claims that if you paint a glob of thick nail polish onto a soft silicone stamper, or a plastic-wrapped makeup sponge, and then just push the tip of your nail straight down into it, boom, a perfect curved flawless French tip line instantly wraps around your nail. So let's test it. The first attempt? Total fail. If you press your nail down too hard or too deep into the sponge, the polish swishes all the way up under your cuticle and floods your whole finger in a messy wet pool. But here is the secret fix that makes this hack actually work. You have to push your nail in at a sharp 45-degree angle. Gently roll your finger from left to right and lift it straight up in one smooth motion. When you do it lightly, it actually creates a super sharp, gorgeous, curved French tip in literally 2 seconds flat. Verdict? It's a total win. Just don't press too hard. Let's move on to something bigger and bolder, testing viral gel extension hacks. Full set gel extensions at a salon can easily cost a fortune, so the internet is obsessed with DIY extension shortcuts. The most viral one on TikTok right now is the full coverage gel jelly tip hack using dual forms or soft gel tips. The hack promises that instead of carefully sculpting acrylics with liquid and powder, you just fill the inside of a clear plastic nail tip with builder gel or solid gel glue. Press it onto your natural nail, shine a UV lamp on it for 60 seconds, and pop. You instantly have a long, crystal clear, rock-solid nail extension. Testing time. The first trap here is using way too much gel inside the fake tip. When you press the tip onto your real nail, excess wet gel oozes out of the sides, floods your cuticles, and bakes permanently to your skin under the UV light. Ouch. Here is the ultimate cheat code to make this gel extension hack succeed. Use a Flash Cure Mini UV flashlight. Hold the fake tip down onto your nail with one hand so there are 0 air bubbles trapped underneath, and use your mini flashlight to freeze the gel in place for just 5 seconds. Once it's locked down, you can put your whole hand under the big lamp. When done right, these extensions take 10 minutes, look insanely glossy, and last for weeks. This extension hack gets a solid 9 out of 10. Now let's test a weird one. The water marble nail art hack. We've all seen those hypnotic videos where someone drops different colors of nail polish into a cup of room temperature water, swirls the colors into a mesmerizing flower pattern with a toothpick, and dips their finger in to pull out a trippy tie-dye nail. It looks so satisfying, but is it actually easy? Testing time. First attempt, total disaster. The polish drops hit the water, immediately sank to the bottom like heavy rocks, or dried into a crusty plastic film before we could even swirl it. Why? Because the water was too cold. Here is the secret water marble science fix. Your water has to be exactly room temperature, not cold from the tap, and not hot. Also, you have to use quick-drying thin nail polishes. Once you get room temp water and fresh polish, the drops spread out into huge flat circles on top of the water. Swirl them gently with a toothpick, tape up your finger so polish doesn't get on your skin, and dip. When you pull your finger out, wow! It creates a stunning marble swirl pattern that looks like real stone or tie-dye art. It takes a little practice, but it is so cool to watch. Let's test hack number 5. The Blooming Gel. Blooming Flower Hack. Blooming Gel is a special clear gel polish that stays wet and makes any colored polish you drop onto it automatically expand and bleed outward like watercolor paint on wet paper. The hack says you can paint a coat of clear blooming gel, dot 5 tiny spots of pink or white polish in a circle using a bobby pin or dotting tool, and watch the dots automatically bloom into a soft, blurry, gorgeous floral flower. Here's the ultimate viral cleanup hack. Elmer's glue or liquid latex cuticle guards. Before you start doing messy art like gradients, water marbling, or stamping, paint a layer of basic washable white school glue or liquid peel-off latex around the skin surrounding your nails. Let it dry completely clear. Do your crazy messy nail art without worrying about staying in the lines. Once your nails are done, take a pair of tweezers, grab the edge of the dried glue, and peel it off. It peels off in one satisfying rubbery strip, taking all the messy polish overspray with it, leaving your skin completely clean. Let's talk about the Ombre gradient sponge hack. Trying to blend two polish colors together smoothly usually results in a muddy, streaky mess. The hack says to paint your two colors, like pastel pink and pastel purple, directly next to each other on a damp kitchen sponge or makeup wedge, and then tap the sponge up and down on your nail. Testing time. The trick to making this gradient hack work is making sure the sponge is slightly damp with water first. If the sponge is completely dry, it just sucks up all the nail polish like a dry sponge and leaves weird textured bubbles on your nail. But a damp sponge lets the colors blend together seamlessly as you tap, creating that soft, dreamy sunset ombre blend in 5 seconds. What about nail prep and health while trying all these hacks? Here's a super important rule. Never force or rip off gel extensions or fake tips when you're done testing. Ripping off gel or acrylics strips away the top protective layers of your natural nail, leaving them thin, weak, and bendy like paper. To safely remove DIY gel extensions, soak a cotton ball in pure acetone. Place it over your nail. Wrap your fingertip in a small square of aluminum foil to trap the heat, and wait 15 minutes. The gel breaks down into a soft, gummy jelly that wipes right off with a wooden cuticle stick without damaging your real nails underneath. Always treat your real nails with love. Massage a little cuticle oil or coconut oil into your nails after removing polish to keep them strong and healthy. Here is the ultimate viral cleanup hack: Elmer's glue or liquid latex cuticle guards. Before you start doing messy art like gradients, water marbling, or stamping, paint a layer of basic washable white school glue or liquid peel-off latex around the skin surrounding your nails. Let it dry completely clear. Do your crazy, messy nail art without worrying about staying in the lines. Once your nails are done, take a pair of tweezers, grab the edge of the dried glue, and peel it off. It peels off in one satisfying rubbery strip, taking all the messy polish overspray with it, leaving your skin completely clean. At the end of the day, testing viral nail hacks is all about having fun, experimenting with cool techniques, and discovering smart little shortcuts that actually save you time and money. Some hacks are total internet myths, but the ones that work feel like finding a secret cheat code to gorgeous nails. So go grab your favorite polish colors, grab a makeup sponge or some dental floss, test out these viral tricks for yourself, and go show off your awesome DIY manicure today.